Let's look at bar 34 through 46 in Palisades Guitar Part 1. Lots of open position power chords and closed position power chords and dotted quarter note rhythms. All right, so we have measure 34, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Here's measure 38, F, G, D power chord. Let it ring, and then 4 golpe hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're on 47, and as I hit, that guitar is still resonating. All right, let's play along at 38. Sorry, 34.